Welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can write a simple algorithm to reformat a string in Python. Okay, so they will be giving us an alphanumeric string. Our job will be to return the reformatted string or return an empty string if it is impossible to reformat the string. Let me show you an example. After that, we'll be getting back to the code. Okay, so right here you see we have a string a. The number is 0, b, 1, c, 2, right? So what we do, our job will be to reformat the string. Let's see the explanation. Not to adjacent character have the same type. Like for example, we cannot have it like let's say we cannot have a b like this. It shouldn't be that. We should have like one letter, one number, and so on. That is how it works. So for example, the explanation will help you to understand everything. No two adjacent characters have the same type. For example, these are valid permutation a, like I'm sorry, O, A, 1, B, 2, C, etc. You can see, as you can see on the street on the screen. So what our job will be to reformat that string so we have a sort of permutation between the characters. Okay, we alternate them. For example, if we have a character, let's say if we have a number, we have a letter. If we have a letter, we have a number, and so on. That is how we need to perform to write the algorithm so it can be working. Okay, and then now for example, if we have this string, right? This string will not be valid. In that case, we return an empty string because there is no number that can help us to alternate the string, to reformat the string, and we will have like e, etc. So this will not be valid. So and also we have this one, all of them are numbers. So this also will not be valid because we don't have any characters that can help us to or any letters that can help us to perform to reformat the string. The string will always remain like this. So what we need to do, and this is the algorithm that we have written. In this algorithm, first we loop over every character in the given string, and then we combine the letters together. We use list comprehension. We combine all the letters together. And after that, we combine all the numbers together, okay? And we check if the length of all the letters minus the length of all the numbers is superior at 1. That means one of the string we have like too many characters in this one. So this one will, in that situation, will just return an empty string because we'll have too many characters. And at the end of the day, if we have like too many, if for example way more letters than numbers, so we'll have like two letters that will be combined together. For example, let's say if we have a and we have 1 2, you see, so we can have A1, A2, right? A2, and after that we will need to have AA. So this will not be possible, right? So this is what I want to explain to you. And then after that, we'll loop over every single character in the we use the while loop to loop over the characters in the string, right? And then we also loop over, let me come right here with this one, and also we loop over every characters, every number every number in the number list, right? So now we add them. Remember, we have created an empty string, that a result that will be giving us the final result. And then what we do, we say result plus letters that pop, we pop. Okay, and as soon as we pop one from the letter, we pop one from the numbers, right? And then now we will have one letter, one number, one letter, one number, and so on. And for example, let's say if we finish to pop all the numbers, right, and we have a character left in the letters list. So what we do, we will add this one. We will add this one. We say result equal result plus letters that pop. It will pop the last one. So we will add this one to the end of the result, right? And then let's say if we finish to put all the letters and we have some numbers left, right? What we will be doing, we will need to add that to the beginning of the result, because remember the first characters will be like letters, and then as soon as if there is a number left, and then we will be adding that number to the beginning, so we don't have like two numbers like consecutively. So this is what we want to avoid. So now let's run the code to see what will be the result. So we pass this one, and let's see. Okay, there is a bad operating. Okay, let me let me see. Give me 1 minute. It seems like I made a mistake with you. Okay, now I need to come with this one. Okay, now let's see. Let's run the code to see. Okay, now we have C. You see, this is the result. Let me increase it so you can have a better idea. Okay, yes, this is the result. Okay, we have C2, B1, A, 0. So this is how you can combine them, because we cannot have like C, B. This is what we want to avoid. We want to avoid having like two letters consecutively. So this is the result, and this is one of the possible a possible result, expected result. Okay, so now let's run the code again to see what to be the result. Okay, we have C2, B1, A0. So that is quite interesting. And let's see what would be one of the possible result was, uh, yeah, these are possible results, but we don't have this one. We can have like other result, because this is one of the possible results. So I hope this video was useful, and I hope you have learned how you can create a simple algorithm with Python in order to reformat like a string. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to follow us for more.